What is going on, everyone? This is Kurt Crowley. How you are doing? Anyway, today we are going to be looking at DualShock, which should be a complete shock to your system the minute you start seeing exactly what's involved with this, which is not really that much of a good news. Anyway, let's get into it. It's going to be launching the 19th. That is Friday tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. Get prepared to see a metric crap ton of emails hit your inbox. So here we go. We're going to go right through how an ex-high school teacher discovered a hidden way to double his list growth and maximize his sales with 100% free traffic. Let me just tell you right now that 100% free traffic is most likely Facebook, most likely from Facebook pages. I'm just going to probably spill the beans on this whole product because I'm going to tell you exactly what it's all about. It is about getting people on your chatbots and then from your chatbot to your email autoresponder system. That is the whole idea. This is the actual sales page, and I'll scroll up to the top, and they basically give away the ghost on this particular product to begin with. And basically what you're going to be discovering is a strategy even top marketers are missing. No, not really. They've been doing it for quite a while. Matter of fact, I released a product over 2 years ago walking you through this exact same method. It is inside a Society 11. So that's another DualShock to your system right there. This is not a new system. This is something that has been known for a good long while since chatbots started coming onto the scene and then integrating with autoresponder systems. So this is nothing new. Just giving you an FYI there. Step-by-step system you only have to set up once to maximize the benefits of both email and messenger bots to build a huge list. Now, is that possible? Yes and no. Once again, it also determines it is based upon your engagement on your Facebook page that your chat bot is connected to. You can drive traffic from your profile over to a question from your page, but they must answer the question on the page, and then the chat bot starts integrating with the person, starts chatting with them, gets them to put in their email address. The minute they start chatting, they get added to the subscription side of the chat bot, and then it asks them for their email address to send them some particular lead magnet. So this is not new. If you're inside of Society 11, this is called 30-minute affiliate funnels because it does take you about 30 minutes to set up your actual chatbot as well as your autoresponder and sequence in order to make sure that this is done properly. It doesn't take a long time. I do have that, like I said, inside of Society 11. It is basically the exact same training that these two guys are going to be trying to sell you. But they're also got some other reasons why they want you to get in on this. Let's take a look at this funnel. So what they're going to be doing is they're offering their affiliates on this instant buyer traffic. Let me actually go back because that is different. Let me go back. So if I clicked on funnel, it went to instant buyer traffic. This is DualShock buyer traffic. So it may be something that's pretty much rehashed as well, but I don't know. Just letting you know what I'm finding whenever I'm clicking on links on their JV page. So here we go. This is a OTO DualShock done for you bundle, $37. In other words, they're going to be able to, inside of ManyChat or even in ChatFuel, you can have templates set up, and that takes them half a second to click and send over a share code to you. So that is really not that big of an issue there. Case studies, OTO, you really don't need a case study for this. I've told you the whole process. You create your chatbot, you integrate it with your autoresponder, and then you go to your page and you pose a question. And then you have people to put in info. And your chatbot looks on that post, looking for people who respond info. It immediately starts engaging those people and then eventually ask them for their email address. From that point forward, you are able then to add them to your autoresponder and hit them up on the messenger within a 24-hour window for marketing messages. Anything outside of that will get your Facebook page shut down. Now, you can also send messages after the 24-hour period, but only on updates on the bots, letting them know new information that's inside the bot, and then re-engaging bot-wise before you can send them an actual marketing message. So keep that in mind. That is a little workaround. That is a freebie tip that you just got from me. So enjoy that. So OTO4, oh good Lord, how deep is this funnel? Oh good Lord, how deep is this funnel? No, that wasn't me saying that twice. That was the echo, because that's how deep this funnel is. So here we go. We're on OTO4 DualShock reseller license. Would you like your customer like your own high converting digital product? Keep 100% of the profits. So this is an issue right here. All you need to do is send traffic to the sales page and let this high. Basically, they're charging you to become 100% affiliate. That's what this is. It's $67 to become a 100% affiliate commission. It's also called agency. This is bringing Portion into an MLM market. This is not good. So let's go ahead and continue. OTO5, done for you buyer bot, $197. Completely automated system that will quickly turn your traffic and leads into buyers that put money into your pocket. So this is something that you may want to check out. I doubt it. Just to be honest, this is a complete avoid. Look at this stinking funnel that you're going to be sucked into the minute you press the buy button on the very front end product. To 100% commissions on the front end. So they're going to be having a lot of affiliates jump in on that to get that 100% commissions. And then look how deep this funnel is. And they're probably just screwing their affiliates by doing a $10 drop without actually removing anything from the product. If they are, I'd be surprised. There is an affiliate contest, so this is also going to be, rest assured, you're going to be spammed from everyone from South Africa to Zimbabwe, who knows? Anyway, 72-hour speed contest, $1,000. First place, $250. Second place, $150. Third place, $50. And then $25 for fourth and fifth place. Let's see here. That's the speed contest. So they have a sales page preview that we're going to be looking at. Let's go ahead and take a look at the email swipes here real quick, just to give you an idea of what you're going to be seeing in the emails tomorrow. So if you see these, and then you know that some people are not quite literary enough to write their own, well, looky there. Their email swipes, I guess, just didn't, they don't have any email swipes. When I click on email swipes, it comes right back to the same page. Oh, goody. So that doesn't work very well. So let's go ahead and take a look at sales page preview. This is the actual sales page preview with the animated guy waving at us there. So I'm just going to scroll down. Messenger and email. I'm not kidding you. They pretty much spill the whole beans on this particular scenario here. And let me take a look here. Makes it easier to get eyeballs on your offers, thus the free traffic. Keep that in mind, people. They're not really going to be revealing anything new. So now they may have their funnels may be unique, but the initial idea is done, has been done. So I'm just going to scroll down here a little bit more. 3 assumptions. I'm making, you want to target and engage bot and email list. You're okay with the idea of never having to spend a dime on paid traffic or advertising ever again. Let me just go ahead and say something about this method here real quick. Facebook is clamping down on the short response comments. They're not bringing them back up into people's profiles. They're wanting more engagement than just more info as a comment. They're actually wanting people to have conversations on Facebook. This more info stuff has been worn out. Facebook knows it. They have tracked it. They have figured it out. So that is the reason why this isn't as good of a method as it used to be even 2 years ago. So let me just go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. Yes, you want to use both. You absolutely positively want to use both because you have short time attention with a bot. You have 24 hours after the initial time of communicating to send them your marketing messages. After that, you must have them re-engage with your bot or your page before you can send them any more marketing messages. So if you start sending marketing messages after the 24-hour period, you might as well kiss your page goodbye. Then, of course, email, up to 22% click rate. Most of the people I have talked to on Aweber and GetResponse, they're in the teens. I'm on MailerLite. Now, I do get up to 21%, sometimes up to 22%. Once again, all depending upon the message in the email. Just FYI. They're having a 49% open rate. That's for sequels. Once you engage someone and you say, hey, we want you to go ahead and we need your email address, we'll send you this product, etc. Yeah, of course they're going to open and click. They're wanting that product, are they not? It's just a twist onto a method that's been going for a while. Let me just come back over here. But they do reciprocate. That is one of the things that they're proud of. So there's just not a lot here. Let me just say this real quick. This method 2 years ago, was exposed inside of Society 11. I'm one of the co-founders. Andy Brocklehurst is the other co-founder. Why don't you come on over to our free Facebook group? The link is going to be down into the description of this YouTube email. Come check us out. Go to the free group, ask questions. We're here to help. We're not here to hurt. We're here to give you ideas, tips, tricks. And then when you're ready to join the main group, the links are right there readily available in the announcements. You can go ahead and join up. At this point in time, there is a slight discount at this point in time. This is now July 18th. But that will be going away. But just to let you know that we are also going to be closing the doors to Society 11 come December 22nd. Now, December 22nd, when that happens, or when we reach 511 customers, either which one happens, the doors close. So there's limited time, limited space available. Society 11, group of like-minded marketing individuals. We've had hundreds of people in there for almost 4 years now. This is a great marketing group that you can learn, get involved, access our tools, get tips, tricks, training, SaaS-based products, all included. Not only that, usually every Friday, Andy holds what's called an AMA, which is an Ask Me Anything. And you can ask him anything. And this basically you're going to be getting coaching style information included with your subscription into Society 11. So this DualShock method, this should be a hyper shock to your system, and just click away as quickly as you can When you do, what I want you to do is come on over, not to the main Society 11 group like you're seeing here. What I want you to do is come to the Society 11 Moneymakers group inside of Facebook. It is free to join. When you join, you're going to see we do videos inside of here as well. We share information in here. Andy actually did a training this morning called the Dial Method, and this is an extremely good method to launching products rapidly. So you can have the first part of the training is available here for free. You get that free just by joining this group. There's a lot of information available here. So we actually look through a person's information in their email and talk about exactly what's going on. So we do a lot here, even in the free group. So join us today, and we will talk at you next time. Take care.